Hi everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. Today I have for you an unboxing of a gift basket that my husband and I got from my sister and brother-in-law from Costco. My husband Randy and I are going to review this Costco gift basket that we got for Christmas from my sister and brother-in-law. And no worries, we're not going to upset anybody because they wanted us to review it on our channel. We are about to tear into this thing, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, everything is so secure. It's going to take me an hour.
The bow is not secure, but
wow, the items inside aren't going.
Your jelly will not jiggle.
It's not moving. Yeah, a couple of these little jellies.
Okay.
This brand, it looks like there's a grape over there as well.
So it's
Bonne Maman. I don't know. That's assuming it's probably just Bonne Maman.
I took Spanish one, and that was
I took French. I don't know. I should know this then. It looks Frenchish to me, but what? So yeah, so we got a strawberry and a grape one of those. We'll try those later.
Yeah. So you need to put some of that technology into the bowl.
Ooh, this looks yummy. This is pink salt and garlic.
Okay.
And it's from the Original Salt Company, and it looks like it's a grinder. So I bet this is going to be really good.
Right.
I don't know why I did that. There, that can go there. So this came in it. That looks really good.
Yeah.
I'll probably like this. So that came in there. And then we've got some olives.
Okay. I like olives.
Some Bella Capana.
Bella.
Go for it, babe.
Champagne.
Oh, is that it? Does it have an H?
It's not really champagne.
No, whole mixed olives.
Campanga.
Bistro style, they say.
Bistro style. Well,
yeah, it's a lovely medley of green and black olives.
Apparently,
we'll try those later too.
Out of my class range, some fancy olives there.
Fancy dancer olives. We got a picnic Portofino salami.
Salami.
A traditional dry cured salami crafted with sea salt and wine. I like wine.
I will enjoy it. All right.
So yeah, I don't know if we're going to cut into that or not. Let's go through everything and then we'll decide.
Well, if we don't, later tonight I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so this is a brown, oh, this is just a cookie.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the Elsa story. Taste, enjoy, remember, brown sugar butter cookie. It's all about the memory. Aww, it's got a cute little story. And then Elsa, there's a picture. Look at it. There's a little picture in the back of a group of either family or friends or something. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. We can barely see it, but they circled in red Elsa. So apparently this is her cookie. Let's try her cookie.
All right. This is very touching for a cookie.
I like little things like this. This is cute, Darce. I like the Elsa story brown sugar cookie. That makes me want to see if there's more cookies that have more stories. And then there's a little memory.
Right.
Oh, I like it. Okay, so it's like this size.
No.
We didn't even do that when we got married.
No.
So it took him by surprise.
That was shocking, but it was very good. And it reminds me of the butter cookies that come in the tin.
Oh, these are good.
Which I love. And
I like Elsa for a cookie.
yeah. It's a lot like the butter cookies that come in the tin.
These are a little bit, these are heaven right here.
Yeah,
heaven.
very good.
This is so good. All right. We'll eat the rest of that later because we're filming a video.
I feel like I'm at my grandma's house in the 80s.
Wow, this is really good.
There you go.
I'll even have one more bite.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Great.
Oh no, I took the tape off of this and now I have no idea what the calories are.
We'll never know the life story.
There's no calories in this one, whatever this is.
Do they have a colorful life story on the back? Like the
no, just that cookie did, the Elsa story cookie. I hope there's other people like Ingrid and...
Well, I want to know who's behind the onion dip.
This is a Stonewall Kitchen roasted garlic onion dip. So obviously you have to add stuff to this. Oh, they wrote a little nice note here.
See,
aren't they all nice? So there's directions on the back. I mean...
I'm pretty excited
if it's a dip and there's crackers and chips involved, sign me up.
Yeah, I'm in usually. I like French onion dip, so that should be fun.
We enjoy dips.
Absolutely.
If you don't, you're lying. Okay. And then we have some coffee. Don Francisco's coffee.
Which I will enjoy, Leslie. doesn't drink coffee.
I don't, Darce.
She doesn't.
She knows. I'm just playing with her.
Which may shock your viewers.
Yeah, no, I'm a teacher. Why would that shock them?
Your glasses suggest you would like coffee.
Oh, yeah, I do like things in a mug.
You just have the coffee demeanor.
It has to be tea.
But
I have
tea.
a coffee demeanor.
You have a coffee demeanor.
I do like caffeine.
Me,
but in tea form.
I like coffee, but I just drink it black. I just like
straight up
straight coffee.
So you might like that. You will probably like this.
I will like
so
it.
Coffee, guys.
Thank you, Darcy, for that.
Yum. Would have gone good with that cookie, but we ate it.
It would have. Oh my! You're throwing Nan crisps.
Now this would be. Oh, I messed up the front of it. Okay. So these are some Nan crisp.
All right.
I like Nan and I like crisp. So I'm gonna love these. I'm sure I am. That would go with that dip. You want to try?
Yeah, I do.
We're trying the Nan.
I can't tease your viewers.
Oh, there's more crackers and things. I'm not feeding you.
Okay, yeah.
You're on your own this time.
Here it is. Ooh.
You ready? 1, 2, there. That is a good cracker for dipping.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like totally plain. And but my son's walking through because he knows he's not supposed to while I do a video. Son, we're filming.
You didn't notice me. They didn't notice me.
Everyone heard you walk through.
No. You didn't hear me.
Do you want a Nan crisp?
I do.
You can't be on film. It's the new rules. So can his hand be on? We'll be off camera here.
Well.
No, walk around. Your hand can't be on camera. It's YouTube rules.
Is
it? Don't talk.
Why is it YouTube rules?
I don't know. I didn't actually read all of them.
I don't think you run it correctly.
But kids aren't supposed to be around or something. Hand me that. Quit talking. That means you're on the video.
Good.
Okay, you can have those if you want, but you don't get this cookie. He just wants to be here. If you sit quietly in that chair, I can hand you stuff.
Maybe we should make that dip, because all this stuff...
We're not making a dip right now. We'll make it later. We're just trying. We're not going to stop the camera to make a dip.
Why?
Because we're not.
That's fast. All you do is...
All right. Oh, I forgot to show. Okay, so this is the bakery at Barnum Hill. Original cracker bread rounds. Artisan baked. I love all of those words.
Yeah.
So I already know I'm probably going to really like this. I like artisan things.
If it says the word
If it says artisan, it's going to be good.
It's going to be a good one.
Unless you're nuts if you don't think so. I like bread. It's my weakness. Okay, here you go. This is also a cracker that should be dipped in something, but actually they look kind of good. Got little, here, Chandler, don't get your hand on camera. Oh my gosh, his finger, that was a 15-year-old's finger on camera, guys. Ignore it. Okay, so this has got little sesame. I didn't read them. They got stricter. That's all I know. Oh, I like this a lot. Just like a saltine without salt, but better. This one's a yes.
Okay.
But this is for like cheese. We have those cheese dips from Frankenmuth.
I'm telling you. Now, we can't mix outside dips with
Why?
the basket.
Yes, we can.
Maybe we can.
Alright, I'm setting that aside. These are oven baked. The tape's in the way. Garlic bites.
Oh my. About that?
That look like that. Do we need to try this cracker too, or can we take a break from the crackers?
Well, I would
Okay,
like
we're gonna try it. You would untry it?
Yeah.
Because look at all that stuff under there. You got a lot of stuff in it, guys.
It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Oh my gosh, you guys. You are flipping kidding me. Look at how cute. These are cute they're little tinies. I like little tiny things that are crackers.
It's like a tiny Cheez-It.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I like those the best.
You know what? You know all those cheese balls with cream cheese everybody makes all Christmas time? This should have been sitting out with it.
Those are good.
We got some Saint Germain Dijon mustard with garlic and herbs. That's probably to go with the salami, right? That would all go together. Salami, any of these crackers, this mustard.
Is that like Grey Poupon style?
I don't know. Do you want to try it, or do we want to wait?
Pardon me.
If we try everything, this is gonna. We can't do any more two-parters. Maybe we'll make this a two-parter. It depends on how funny we think we are. You guys might not think we're funny at all, but if we think we're funny, it's going to become a two-parter, and this will be Friday's video as well. You'll find the link to part 2 in the description box below.